Hi guys, today I will be showing how to get your intro on Android or iOS. So basically you go and search Legend. Yep. And then look at this, Legend Animate Text and Video. So basically here you can make your intro. It works on iOS and it also works on Android, as you see. I really like what we can text. Life is good. Life is good. Good. Nice. So I can daring what I have now. Lines. This more is like for a filmmaker or something like that. The Joy is quite popular, and I know why it's so popular. So quite cool. And it's okay, but I suggest this color. It's quite good. Just with daring, it's really, yeah, look at that. That's really cool. So basically, you see how you've got. And now, if you want to save your intro, yep, landscape and trying to remember what was that. Okay, these two. Okay, so I download it, save as a video. And kaboom, you've got it. Just use videos or photos. I'm using a Huawei, so your actions would be a little bit different. Just use photos, I will. Now I can't find it, great. But basically, that's how you